just noticed a bird like in third floor. Look at that. Little birds. They look like dodo birds. See them. So real. Then they're not even moving. Sheesh. Sheesh. No. Let me on my flashlight over here, guys. Things like you'll be able to see clearly now. Those are literal two dodo birds. They're literally extinct.
Dodo?
Yeah, dodo birds है.
Are you kidding me?
भाई ध्यान से देख dodo birds है.
What the hell? Bro, from 10 years it was extinct.
Hey, 1,000 years it was not even it's not even there. From 1,000 years finally we are able to see the dodo birds.
Dodo, come back. Actually, it looks so good. Let me see. Pa. Look there.
Thank you guys for watching our
They look so
shots.
They look so cute, right?
Yeah.
But they are dumb also, right?